first of all, what is automation? Let's just leave the AI first. Let's start from the very foundation. What is automation? Automation, simply put, is using technology to do tasks for you, so you don't have to do it manually. Do you know that your alarm is an automation system? The fact that you can put an alarm to wake you 5 a.m. every single day, that's automation. It saves you from having to set your alarm 5 a.m. every day manually set it. But instead you set it once and then it keeps repeating. That's automation. And automation has been here for a while. So you can see manual from the diagram, you do it every single time. But then automation is a system does it even when you're not there. Okay. Now, what can you automate? So we're just talking about automation right now, not even AI automation. You can automate follow-up emails, customer reply, meeting scheduling, FAQ chatbots, booking meetings. No, I don't want to read everything out. You can definitely see them for yourself. These are what you can automate. Now, there are 4 levels of automation. We've seen the first level, which is manual. An example is your alarm system. The second is the rule-based, also known as if-then logic. But let's just call it rule-based. So if-then logic, let me explain you. An example is if Tolu is older than 21, give her the food, else don't give it to her. That's an if-then logic. So it's pre-programmed. There's no thinking involved. An example is Excel macros, Zapier without the AI integration, scheduled emails, which you can go on your email and schedule an email to be sent tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Now we have level 3, which is the AI automation. This now is where AI comes in. AI learns, AI adapts, it handles tasks requiring judgment and learning. Example is chatbots, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, the rest of them. Then we have fraud detection, invoice flagging. Then the 4th level of automation. Now this I added it. So if you're trying to use this anyway, give me attribution. The 4th level is AI workflows. Now this is where you combine multiple tools. It's almost like, how do I explain it now? Chains that you can aggregate together. That's the way the workflow is. So you combine tool A to B, integrates AI in one or more tools. That's AI workflows. So for example, a lead form, maybe there's a form, you have a business or you work in a company, a customer or a lead fills the form. AI analyzes the content of the form and then qualifies the lead, say, oh, this person needs this, needs that, can automatically respond to the person with the recommended applicable appropriate link. Then it sends an email to that lead, sends you a notification and updates your CRM. So you see, this is an AI workflow because it actually combines it links from the form to the AI working at the back end, to the email, to the CRM, and then to maybe if you're using Slack for updates or Gmail. And so that's like a chain of tools. That's what AI workflow is.